Croeso I Welsh loving Californian. Dwi'n mynd I ddechrau fideos yn Gymraeg achos dwi angen ymarfer yn Gymraeg. Dwi eisiau bod yn rhugl trwy dydd, felly dwi'n mynd I ymarfer yma efo chdi. So, what I just said, for those of you who don't speak Welsh, is that I'm going to start doing some videos in Welsh to practice because I'm hoping to be fluent someday. And so hopefully I'll stick with this over the next however long and keep practicing my Welsh, and you can respond and tell me how terrible I'm doing or how good I'm doing. Anyway, and I'll say a little bit at the end of the videos about what I was talking about in the video, and so I thought, heddiw, mae'r dydd diwrnod da I dechrau I siarad yn Gymraeg am y peth yn Gymru. It's a good day to start talking about. Today's a good day to start talking about some of the things in Wales. Ar ôl y pleidlais ddo, o'n i'n meddwl mae Cymru yn edrych fel unol-daleithiau. Achos mae pobl yn edrych rannu. So it looks to me that after the election, about the vote yesterday, people in Wales look a little bit like the people in the United States, divided. Nath ceidweddwyr yn ennill Moesef, ac mae pleidlafwyr yn wedi colli. Mae Plaid Cymru aros yr un, it's probably not the way to say it, arosodd Plaid Cymru yr un fath. They stayed the same. Ac mae pobl I mi yn edrych yn rannu. The people divided. So just something I want to say to those of you in Wales. Paid the boat wedi torri. Don't be divided or broken. And I just think it's really funny that it sounds a bit like I just said, don't be a Tory. Paid the boat wedi torri. Anyway, so sorry guys, you almost look in Britain a little bit like the United States. We're all messed up. Ond ma fy nghalon dal I byw yn Gymru. My heart still lives in Wales, and dwi'n gobeithio dy fod ti'n bod annibyniaeth independent. Well, I'm not sure how to turn annibyniaeth independence into independent. I'll look that up afterwards, but diolch yn fawr iawn. Dwi'n mynd I bod yn ôl I siarad Cymraeg yma. Diolch yn fawr iawn.